Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 44, squares and square root, section A, easy. Let's start. If three numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5 so that the sum of the squares is 608, then find the numbers. Okay. Numbers are in the ratio 2, 3, 5. Okay. So let the numbers be 2x, 3x and 5x. Now what is given? Sum of the square. So square each of them. So 2x the whole square plus 3x the whole square plus 5x the whole square. The sum of the squares is 608 equals to 608. Now add this 4x square plus 9x square plus 25x square. 38x square equals to 608. Right? Therefore x square equals to 608 upon 38. Divide it 2 and then you can divide it directly also if you know by 38. So I have done it by 2 and then by 19. So it is 16. So x square equals to 16. Now x square equals to 16. Therefore x equals to square root of 16 and that is equal to 4. Now this 4 means if it can be plus 4 or minus 4. Always remember, because minus 4 square equals to 16 and plus 4 square equals to 16. Both are 16. So it can be plus or minus 4. Whatever is given in the exam, check that. Sometimes it's given minus 4. So you should write minus 4. Sometimes it's given plus 4. Sometimes it's given plus or minus 4 in one option only. So you have to click plus or minus 4 depending on what option is given. Okay. So 4. So the numbers are 2x, 3x and 5x. So 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. So 8, 12 and 20, or minus 8, minus 12 and minus 20 as per the answer. Okay. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.